So hello guys, welcome back to the video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix hotspot not working on Samsung phone. So first of all, open the settings app on your phone. Now here tap on connections. Now here tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Now here tap on mobile hotspot. Now here make sure this is turned on. And this will enable mobile hotspot. And not just this, tap on band and make sure you set it to 2.4 GHz. Tap on save. Now here disable this toggle next to one-time password. And once you do this, hotspot should work properly. If not, then go back again. Now I scroll down and tap on general management. Now I scroll down and tap on reset. Now here tap on reset mobile network settings. Now here tap on reset settings and this will reset the network settings of your phone. So this I can fix mobile hotspot not working on Samsung phone. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.